My name is Grace.
My name is Lois.
We are interior designers with an interest in tiny spaces and alternative building methods.
Through this channel, we have decided to convert an old bus to a house.
Our goal is to do it ourselves as much as we can.
We learn as we go and share our progress with you.
Hii unajua hii hatuwezi weka mbao ya kawaida. Tunaweka marine board.
Hii hata hiyo bei kidogo.
Tunaweka marine board. Marine board That was a successful meeting. And now that tumetoa hivyo hata hapo ni kabati safi. What's wrong with the floor? Man, this is not what I began for. Ay. Floor yote. Naseti nusu yote, the whole of it. Ati nianze?
Inatungoja.
Imagine, na uwezi fanya anything mpaka itoke. Wewe kungoa ndo una enjoy.
Sasa tutafanya hatuwezi
lazima tungoe.
Yana ile insulation tunafanya sasa.
Lazima tungoe. Imagine Because haita make sense side moja ni mbao, side ingine ni mabati. Alafu tena hiyo makelele yote yenye tunafanya.
Tulikuwa na shell, sasa tunatengeneza basi.
Mbona umelose cycle of a sudden? Why are you stressed? What she does not want to tell you is this floor we cannot reuse. A bit of it is warping already, and that means no matter how much we try to push it down, yes, it might work, but I don't think it will serve us long enough. Instead of trying to fix or working with this floor, we just decided to remove it. It was not part of our plan, but now, do we have a choice? I don't think we do. So yes, that's what's up. Sibasi, you get to work. We see if we can remove those things. I don't know. Camera person atufanyie. Kuna depression. Camera person. You have decided you will be our helping hand. So now when the beer another hand. So what next?
So today we have removed the dashboard and the wiring, and also we removed the flooring because we realized we can't work with it anymore. So until we install a new one, we're not able to move to other parts, other areas of this bus.
We had intended to do insulation, but yeah, clearly we cannot do insulation. So now we have to plan on how to do another floor. After the floor, then the insulation. After insulation, now everything else. We were hoping to do the insulation, then we start partitioning, but we could not work with the floor. It just had to go.